What's up, Airsoft Atlanta TV?
What up?
Thanks for tuning in. We're bringing you a special review of the AK-74 Sidewinder from Black Ops Airsoft. Just like any other AK-74, has the folding stock, takes the AK-74 magazines, rock in and are released like so. The iron sight right here has two apertures right there. The front sight is also adjustable. The foregrip is real wood, all metal construction except for like the polymer foregrip and the magazine. Battery access on the top of the weapon, takes a stick type battery. The selector switch all the way up for safe. One down is full auto, all the way down is semi-automatic. Let's take this thing to the range and blink around. For more information on the Black Ops AK-74 Sidewinder, as well as the rest of the Black Ops line, please visit www.airsoftatlanta.com.